Hello everyone, it's Mana. Before I get started, I just want to say a huge thank you for all the comments you leave in on my YouTube. I've seen a few negative comments too, but honestly, I appreciate them just as much. It's great to hear your thoughts and learn about different cultural perspectives. My hope for this channel is that it becomes a space where we can connect beyond borders, talk about all kinds of topics, and learn to appreciate and accept our differences. So today, I want to dive a little deeper into Japanese women from a cultural perspective, and I will also be answering some of your questions. Japan is surrounded by a unique culture, and I totally get that it can be hard to understand sometimes. You might feel like you have no idea how to connect with Japanese women, but don't worry, you are in the right place. I want to help bridge the gap in understanding Japanese women. But cut me some slack if I throw in a bit of my own perspective here and there. Today, I want to answer 4 questions from my audience. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Question number 1. Is it true that many Japanese women hide their true personality until you get married or have a baby with them? Honestly, I don't think that's true at all. It's pretty hard to hide your true personality for such a long time, especially until marriage or having a baby. Can you imagine hiding your true self from someone you like for that long? I don't think so. But I get where this impression might come from. In Japan, women need to be strong, smart, dependable to protect their families. So after getting married or having a baby, they often take on a more serious, responsible role to support their household. This shift in behavior can sometimes be seen as a change in personality, but it's really just them adapting to their new responsibilities, not hiding who they are. From my perspective, this idea might also come from what I like to call cute complaints from married men. When your wife was your girlfriend, she probably focused a lot on you, right? But after getting married and having a baby, her attention shifts more to the baby, family matters, and her new responsibilities. Some men feel a little jealous and might think, she's not mine anymore. She's focused on everything else. Like I mentioned in my previous video, Japanese men aren't exactly known for creating a romantic mood. They could definitely benefit from watching a few more Hollywood movies and taking some notes on how to treat women romantically. Are these Japanese women only interested in the top 20% of men? Honestly, I don't think that's true at all. I know this kind of topic pops up a lot on YouTube, but it doesn't really reflect reality. Sure, a lot of women, including Japanese women, admire successful men like Shohei Ohtani, who I mentioned in my previous video. Anyone who's achieved big things can be really inspiring to watch. But when it comes to real-life relationships, most Japanese women are looking for something else. What they really value is feeling comfortable and at ease with their partners in everyday life. It's not all about chasing someone who's super wealthy nor part of the top 20%. Of course, money matters. Everyone wants stability. But from my perspective, most people are looking for a partner they can respect, who shares the same values and common sense. In fact, many people seek someone on the same level or just a bit higher. Being with someone who's super high status or has a completely different lifestyle can be uncomfortable. Question number 3. In the West, Japanese girls have a reputation for dating anyone as long as they are white, regardless if they're rich or poor, clean or messy. Is that true? Wow! Where is this coming from? That's a pretty rude stereotype, and honestly, it's totally off base. I was really surprised to hear this. A couple years ago, there were reports of some young Japanese women going abroad to work in the sex industry to make money. This news made it harder for Japanese women to travel abroad alone at that time because of how it affected perceptions. It's really sad and highlights in a bigger problem in Japan. Some women fall into tough financial situations and get drawn into darker path. Poverty is a major issue in many countries, and Japan is no exception. It definitely exists here, but I would say around 85% of Japanese people are striving for average or higher standard of living. The remaining 50% face more difficult lives. But this group isn't limited to women. It also includes older people, those with health problems or others facing various challenges. So, when you hear negative stereotypes about Japanese women, they're just reflecting a small part of a much bigger societal issue, not a reality for most people in Japan. It's important to understand that these situations don't represent the majority of Japanese women or the culture as a whole. Question number 4. How can I approach Japanese women if I'm a shy guy? I don't like using dating apps. If you don't have any connections with Japanese women, like if there were none of your office, school, I get that it can feel like a tough situation. You can find meetup events through Facebook or other websites. These meetups are often designed for people to connect, and everyone there is usually attending for the first time, just like you. So don't hesitate to strike up conversations with others. Language exchange is another great way to meet Japanese women. English, Chinese, Spanish, Italian, French are really popular languages that Japanese people love to learn. You get to practice language skills while also connecting with Japanese women who are interested in different cultures. Another option is to ask any male Japanese friends to organize a small gathering. It can be a fun and casual way to meet new people, and you will also get the chance to see how Japanese people unwind and enjoy themselves after work. By joining these gatherings, you will get a real feel for the culture while building genuine connections with Japanese women and others. So far, I've answered 4 questions, and I've noticed that some people tend to think all Asian countries are the same. But this can actually come across as a bit rude, just like if we thought of all European countries as the same. Each country has its own unique culture, and that's what makes them so interesting. Hearing opinions and thoughts from the audience makes me love this channel even more. I really hope this channel helps you overcome cultural challenges and misunderstandings you might have. Thank you so much for watching my video. Until then, I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Bye!